Hi everyone, my name is Pam. Welcome to my YouTube channel and today I will unboxing my birthday gift for my friends and it is about Treasure merch and here is it. So let's get started. I'm gonna open this box first. Today I dressed up like orange to match with the sister and I like orange song from Treasure.
오렌지.
오늘도 just finished unboxings and here's it. It's so neatly packed. Oh. Oh. นี่นะคะเป็นเสื้อ Treasure นะคะขอบคุณมากค่ะเพื่อนอันนี้คือน่าจะเป็นของแถมค่ะเดี๋ยวก็เราจะมาดู close up กันค่ะ Got this t-shirt from my friends is Treasure I have seen this is Treasure Map t-shirts. It's my first time getting some like K-pop merch. I'm gonna look at this. Oh my gosh! 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 โดยงคือได้อันนี้นะคะแล้วก็อันนี้เป็นของแถมแฮนด์ซ็อกกับโดยง It's huge. Treasure t-shirts that I got and it says tie-dye versions and it has the text on the front say treasures and in the back there are treasures and a diamond logo treasure member name. It's L size อันนี้ไซส์ L นะคะเรามาแกะอีกอันกันเลยค่ะก็อันนี้ก็จะเป็นอันเล็กกว่าโอ้ So this is bracelet that I got. It has like a crystal or diamond on it. It's not really fit me, but it's still good. So these are my presents that I got from my friends. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.